you guys the custom mud guard or fender, whatever you want to call it, for the GT2 that I came up with. Still keep that on yours, but I'm just showing you guys an alternative for those who, you can see the size of this. I can't even fit this on the camera. Look at the size of this thing. It's ridiculously huge. Like, let me just pan the camera up and show you guys what we're talking about. Understand what I'm talking about. But anyway, this is what I did. I used the same screws that were on the old Mudguard. I used the same thing. I made this area, I fabricated this metal area and made sure that it fits on the same area for the old Mudguard. And then I also came up with this mounting bracket right here that mounts to this Mudguard. Now you guys are probably like, where did you get this Mudguard? This was my old Mudguard for my Dutron Thunder 2. That's what I actually use. Okay, so if you're looking to do the same thing, Dutron Thunder 2 Mudguard, you can look them up on AliExpress. They're pretty cheap. You can get one of those. And then I attached 2 bolts here to attach it. It's actually a hole that's already drilled underneath this Mudguard that you can use. It's really nice. The light is actually way higher, which is more visible than the old Mudguard. The old Mudguard, the light was all the way down here. See, you guys can see the light works. The way that it's connected back there, everything works.